From Park down towards the further braking zone, 5 lights ahead of the drivers. It's lights out. That Lance Stroll's car, and we have 19 on the grid, then one in the pit lane. It's lights out.
We all live by the choices we make. For me, that could be trusting someone with my car. My instincts on the open road. Or trusting the choices of others. Trust. It's a powerful thing.
All right, good evening everyone. Jong Uy here, and of course, Yamboy and Andy in the house, except Miles. So Miles is kind of under the weather right now. So Miles, get well soon. And again, everyone, welcome to the Purple Sector. And we are live Tuesday because last weekend, oh by the way, we had our second watch along for the Hungarian Grand Prix, and it was fun. And right now we're gonna do the details of race talk and what happened right there. And of course, before we start the ball rolling, Andy, how are you?
Right. Hello, everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon,
And good night.
whenever you are watching this show. Welcome once again to the Purple Sector. And yes, we are looking at a very eventful Hungarian
Oh
Grand Prix.
yeah,
Lots to talk about tonight. So let's get right to it.
too much with emotion, huh? Yeah, here we go.
Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of the Purple Sector. Tonight, we will be talking about the Hungarian Grand Prix. Medyo eventful in between, but overall, the race was full of emotions, full of doubts, full of questions. So hopefully, we can answer everything tonight, no?
Yeah.
Pinagpuyatan ko talaga ito together with my buddy here, Mario.
Oh, Mario.
Yeah, kami ni Mario, nagpuyat kami kagabi just to provide you
Yep.
an overall, probably hindi siya pero yun yung tingin ko or tingin namin na nangyari doon sa race. All right.
Yeah, that is why there is a YAM analysis for such stuff. So again, it was indeed a very eventful Hungarian Grand Prix. But of course, like Yamboy or before we proceed with the YAM analysis, so unfortunately, wala pong nadalo doon sa aming guest na driver. But nevertheless, race prediction ba yun, Yam? Am I correct?
Yeah.
We have
we have two winners for the race
Wow.
prediction.
So, yeah, there we go.
Since walang nanalo dun sa guest the driver. So mamaya we will announce the winners of the
Yeah, for the race
prediction
prediction. Yeah.
for the
So we're giving
Hungarian
out
Grand Prix.
two items or two prizes for the two winners of the race prediction. Of course, as always, we're gonna give you three kind of hard questions right now for, of course, for the usual prizes from Pirelli, Golf, and of course, Golf William Racing. So, without further ado, Yam, shall we proceed with the analysis of
All
your
right.
Hungarian Grand Prix?
Okay, so
Hey.
before we start,
Wait.
syempre,
Yam, before we
ah,
start, saglit.
okay,
Ano ko muna? Ayun,
yeah.
good evening, Carl. Justin
Comments
Dominic
muna.
Villalon, good evening. Joey Barcelona. Hello, hindi ka late. You're just right on time.
Ah,
Parang
just on
napilitan lang si
time,
Lando
Joey.
na... Carlos, parang napilitan lang si Lando na mag-swap nung Sunday. Yeah, we'll go through that later. Kaichin, good
Oh,
evening.
don't worry,
All
Carl.
right. So, guys, tell your friends about it. So, I guess for those guys as well who was able to watch the watch along during last Sunday, meron pa kaming watch along, though we just aired that one on the Facebook page for the Purple Sector and a YouTube channel for the Racing Line TV. You saw our reaction, so same doon sa ibang reaction ng iba, no? But we have to get through it and, spend another night, like sabi ni Yamboy, spend another night to check it out, what really happened and why really transpired. So, Laika Gagliarde, good evening, yes. Krisa Gabriel.
Krisa Gabriel Tabian.
Tabian,
Yeah.
good
Good
evening.
evening
First
sa'yo.
time watching po. Hello! Welcome to the family or welcome to the group. Thank you so much. Hope you stay for this 1 hour race talk and share your insights. All right. Yam, let's move.
Okay, so here it is. The Formula One Hungarian Grand Prix. The Hungarian Grand Prix, the Hungarian racetrack or the Hungaroring
Hungaroring.
is also known,
Mhm.
is also known as the Monaco
Without the
without
walls.
walls. Yes. Ganda pagkadub ni Tito Miles niyan. Pero
Yeah.
nakita naman natin yung karera pag ikaw na yung nauna, iyo na yung karera, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyway,
All right.
so for qualifying, hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko pa bang palitan yung pictures ko last time because same as always, our friendly neighborhood Mexican, Mr. Checo Perez, didn't make it on Q1 kasi nagkaroon na naman siya ng konting disgrasya, no? So, na-red flag ang Q1 at 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. So, dito, he is currently parang number 16 yata siya. Yes. And then, now, we have to take note of this, After kasi the Q1, wow, Daniel Ricciardo, P1. So, there is space to be found on the racetrack during that time. And during the qualifying din, it was cold, it was damp. The track was wet because of a few drizzles here. And then
Yam,
nung
wait.
sige.
Zoom in mo yung helmet ni ni Russell. Kita niyo yung logo dyan, CrowdStrike. Hello, CrowdStrike! How are you? I hope everything is good. Alright, sorry going
Okay,
back.
yan yung the blue screen of death.
The blue
Anyway,
screen of death.
I particularly chose this photo not because of the CrowdStrike, but because George Russell was able to finish Q1, napiga pa niya ang Q1. However, he ended up lower than Perez. Perez nag-DNF pa yan
Yeah.
Hindi niya natapos pero he ended up lower than Sergio Perez. Kaya Toto Wolff was really furious. No? It was a team mistake daw. It was, maraming sinabi si Toto doon kaya galit na galit siya. Anyway, that's your Q1. Eliminated Sergio Perez, George Russell, Zhou Guanyu, Esteban Ocon, and Pierre Gasly. And then on Q2, eliminated is Hülkenberg. Look at the time of Hülkenberg, just 0.01
Oh, yeah.
seconds. Yeah, di ba?
Grabe.
And then we have Bottas, Albon, Sargent, and Kevin Magnussen. And then, pagdating ng Q3, we have to take note that both V-Carbs are on the top 10. This one at 2 minutes and 17 seconds, Yuki Tsunoda hit yung parang may Jong, yung parang may konting sa semento, may parang konting gap. So na-hit niya yon, kaya napatalon talaga yung kotse niya dire-diretso dun sa barrier, kaya yan ang nangyari sa kanya. So eventually the race was red flag
Oh, red
at
flag.
2
Oh.
minutes 17 seconds. See? 2 minutes 13 seconds. So it was red flag because there was a huge damage. So hindi na kaya ni Tsunoda dalahin ulit yung kanyang kotse papunta sa pit lane.
Oh,
Now,
yun, red flag.
this
I haven't
one
seen
is-
the, kasi.
yeah. This one is first for Red Bull, no? May red flag, tapos meron pang 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Supposed to be, pwede pa itong pigain, Jong. Meron pang performance supposed to be nito, di ba? Kasi red flag, after that, they will resume the Q3. So pwede pa lumabas ulit yung mga kotse. Anyway, 10 na lang man sila. So the 2 minutes and 13 seconds is quite enough for them to have the first run and the hot lap. Pero Max Verstappen decided hindi na ako lalabas because ang sabi ng team is let's just save the mileage of the car kasi hindi na yata tayo mag-i-improve dun sa pace natin. That's why Norris and Piastri took 1 and 2, and then next is Verstappen, and then the only one who finished, or the only one who got an improved time was Daniel Ricciardo. From 10 naging 9 siya dito. So see, Daniel Ricciardo on 9. Anyway, Lando Norris P1, followed by Oscar Piastri, Max Verstappen, Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc, Fernando Alonso, Lance Stroll, Daniel Ricciardo, and Yuki Tsunoda. All right. Now,
Right.
let's go to the race proper. Okay. Here, dito si Oscar Piastri, dito naman si Lando Norris. When the lights out and away they go, dito, Lando was trying to cover up Oscar Piastri. However, Oscar had a magnificent start. Talagang maganda yung kanyang start dito.
Yeah.
And also for Max Verstappen. Now, alam natin na Lando medyo kulela siya lagi sa umpisa. Maraming ilang karera na ito na nauunahan siya ni Oscar Piastri, no. So probably internally before the race start, syempre merong team briefing yan, may team meeting. So probably they all decided whoever gets P1 after turn 1 or at lap 1, kanya na yung karera, parang ganyan. So, they agreed or whatever. We don't know. Probably, yun ang nangyari doon sa kanilang team briefing before the race started. Kasi dito,
Yeah, for a while. Kasi
Oh,
makes
hindi,
sense
sandali,
din eh. Sige, go.
sandali kasi kung ako naman kasi yung team and alam natin Oscar Piastri so far has the best start, and for this one at P2, yan yung pinakamagandang position mo for this racetrack kasi yan yung malinis na area dyan banda, good grip, wala pang mga rubber dyan during the F2 races, so kanya talaga yan. So kaya yung unang turn nauna talaga siya, di ba bay? Ikaw Jong, sige.
Sa akin, I was really wondering why did Lando Norris went to that position aside sa sinabi mo na maganda siguro yung lane na yan, no, with a very good grip that's part of the track that has a very good grip. I don't know, no. But instead of defending Verstappen on the left side, he opted to, to defend himself from his teammate. I don't know.
So probably,
yeah.
yung team meeting, di ba?
Sinong
Yung
mauna?
team meeting, kung sino mauna dito, kanya ang
Binibigyan ng
karera.
priority. Parang ganon.
Oo. Kaya, tama ka, Jong. Tama ka. So, why he was covering his teammate na dapat ang i-cover niya si Max Verstappen para kanila ma-maintain nila ang papaya first and second, di ba?
Makes sense, Andy.
Pwede.
Andy, what do you think? Di ba?
What do you think, Di?
Makes sense. Sa tingin ko lang rin ito, opinion ko lang. At this point, plano lang nila is McLaren 1-2, regardless of sino yung 1.
Basta
At this
McLaren
point.
1-2.
Basta McLaren 1-2, yan ang plano. So, basically, default setting nila is let them race, di ba?
Yeah.
So, well, sa tingin ko I don't know for sure. Kasi, well, they didn't know na something would happen later in the race na we will get to.
yeah, which is that's
Yeah.
the bottom line di ba?
Plain, lang talaga, yung default plan nila na, plan A basically is let them race. Bahala ka dyan sino mag-1-2 sa inyo. But yeah, well, yeah, of course, they would be concerned na Verstappen might do a George Russell, no, na from P3 to P1 bigla, parang ganun.
Yeah.
I guess they were more concerned about just maintaining each other's lead.
Yeah.
Kasi
Ito.
parang tulad ng sinabi ni G dito, gentleman's agreement, question mark.
Yeah.
Malamang
His
that's part of their week, their Sunday morning meetings. Pero yeah, I guess team orders again, which we will get to
because-
later.
Yeah,
With the
because
analysis.
at this point, everybody, we all together, we saw the race, di ba? We saw the results. So by now, we are trying to analyze, no? Anong nangyari? So mamaya, mas there's a bigger picture, so we can actually,
Yeah. All right.
I mean, we can actually share to you, kung ano yung ating idea. Anyway,
Proceed.
so, pagdating dito, it's a drag race by the two papayas. Whoever gets the turn 1, kanya yan, sigurado. So, dito, pagdating dito, a three-way car battle. Look, that's a photo for the museum. Right
Yeah.
there.
Ganda tingnan.
Wow. Pirelli, P0. Oh
Perfect.
my. Wow.
Di
Very
ba?
nice. Yeah.
That's
Perfect alignment.
that's really
Talagang-
a hallmark moment.
Yeah. Very nice.
And then-
very nice.
After this, ayan na. Max Verstappen turned wide. He went off the track. And then Lando Norris is struggling right here kasi medyo, syempre, iniwasan niya dito yung teammate niya. And eventually, nakuha ni Oscar Piastri ang P1 followed by Lando Norris. Pero nakalusot na si Lewis Hamilton dito. And Max Verstappen, when he rejoined, he was ahead of Lando Norris. Now, the rule here is he went off the track and gained an advantage.
Yes.
So kaya it was noted, however, it was noted pero on the radio, however, ang sabi nila kay Max, okay Max, the stewards noted your position right now. The recommendation hindi pa, wala pang penalty the recommendation is to give the position back to Lando. So they are not risking the penalty. So wala pang decision si FIA or the stewards, sinabihan na kaagad ng team si Max na Max, ibigay mo na kay Lando. Yan ang recommendation ng mga tao natin dito. So, yun nga, nabigay ni Max Verstappen yung position balik kay Lando Norris, and then after this, before that, Lando took Lewis Hamilton, and then para sa mga Tifosi fans, this is a very good Spain Wars, no? Spaniards between the two Spaniards.
Sainz and Alonso.
Carlos Sainz was able to take Fernando Alonso for the 6th position. So dito yan, binigay na balik ni Max kay Lando Norris yung position. And then dito na at lap 17 nauna ang Mercedes ni Lewis Hamilton. And then after that, lap 22 pa nila pinasok si Verstappen. So, mainit na ang ulo ni Max doon sa binigay niya ulit yung position kay Lando. Tapos dito, mainit ulit yung ulo niya kasi na-undercut siya ng Mercedes. So, yan. Diyan na nag-build up yung inis nito ni reigning world champion. Imagine, lumabas siya just behind Lewis Hamilton. Diba? The hurt. Anyway, dito pinanggigilan na niya ang dati niyang nemesis si Lewis Hamilton, pero he took Lewis Hamilton right here on this corner, pero he went off the track and Lewis was able to take back the position. Now, so ano ang mga nandito? Mukhang
Mad Max.
marami na tayong comments.
Mad Max. Nice one.
Like
Laika.
Gagliardi.
Nice one. Mad
Beast
Max,
mode si
yeah.
Max.
Alright.
Parang Las Vegas Grand Prix race.
Yeah.
Okay,
Las Vegas.
so dito for third na sana si Max Verstappen, pero he went off the track. Nauna na naman si Lewis Hamilton. And then after this, nakita natin dun sa telemetry natin, wow, naunahan na talaga ni Max si Lewis. Pero ang totoo nun, nag-pit na ulit si Lewis. Dito, Lewis and Charles Leclerc pitted and naiwan na naman si Verstappen. Imagine, si Lewis and si Charles would undercut him. Diba?
Yeah, correct,
So,
correct.
dyan na.
Mhm.
Mainit na ang ulo ni Max kasi dalawa na naman kotse. He has to work really hard to take 2 cars na. Yung isa, okay lang sana, si Lewis Hamilton, sisiw sa kanya, pero dito, dalawa.
This is one
So,
of
yan.
the few, no?
Leclerc.
Yam, Andy. This is one of the few, parang very rare mistakes of Red Bull. No, one of the few,
Yeah.
and
Strategy-wise, yes.
yeah, strategy-wise, and not even to mention that they're all focused on Verstappen right here. Perez is just number 7 with malala ko si Perez late na nag-pit di ba? Or we haven't heard from him sort of parang masyado no? So
Nasa background lang siya. Humahabol lang.
tapos nasa background lang siya. But aside from that, if you notice, there was this radio messages that sinabi niya na kayong nagbigay sa akin ng position nito o strategy nito, I'm just trying to save it for whatever is there to save.
Talagang damage sa team nun.
Yeah, damage is So anyway, proceed.
Okay. So, at lap 46, eto na. Dito na tayo mag-umpisa doon sa ating Jong, okay? Bakit inuna nilang pinit si Lando Norris? Okay? Now, we can see here, Hamilton and Leclerc pumasok na sa pit. So, bago na ito, mga gulong na ito. Carlos Sainz hindi pa, papasok pa lang siya. Verstappen hindi pa pumapasok. Nasa pa siya? Nasa labas pa siya. So, McLaren here, sabi nila is so lap 46 tinawag nila si Lando, and then at lap 48 this one is tawag nito. This one is Oscar Piastri. Now, Oscar nagtaka, bakit inuna ninyo si Lando? Bakit hindi ako? 'Di ba? Kasi maa-undercut siya, 'di ba? Now, ganito pala ang plano ng team. Inuna nila si Lando to cover Lewis Hamilton. Okay? So, yan yung explanation ng team dito as I read. Lando was first to pit to cover up Hamilton. We will manage that situation. So, ibig sabihin, kami na bahala kay Lando. Basta ikaw, pagkatapos dito, pace ka na lang. kami nang bahala. Okay? So, okay din si Piastri. Okay, sige. Yun pala ang plano ninyo eh. Team player pa naman itong si Oscar Piastri. So, eto na nga. Lumabas si Oscar Piastri behind his teammate Lando Norris. And for the first few corners, nagkaroon pa siya ng event dito kasi nga medyo malamig pa yung gulong niya. And see here, there's a radio message for Norris. Ang sabi
Lando.
nila is, or for Lando, yeah. Okay, Lando, Oscar has just pitted. We like to reestablish the order at your own convenience. Parang email lang, di ba?
Basta palit
Napaka-polite.
kayo, ha? Ikaw na bahala. Basta
Oo.
palit kayo.
At your own
Ang weird
convenience.
yung
Parang
plano
email ba?
Yeah.
Ako, ganyan pa naman ako mag-email eh. At your own convenience. So, okay, Lando.
Best regards.
Oscar has just pitted, yeah. Oscar has just pitted. We like to reestablish the order at your own convenience. Parang boarding announcement lang, Jong, di ba? Business class passengers, you may board at your own convenience. Di ba? Ganun. Ganun.
Oo nga, no? Diyan pala yung
Di ba,
galing.
di ba, di ba?
Okay. Yam.
Diyan pala yung galing, oh.
Mabuhay
Alala
na
ko na,
passengers,
alala ko na.
ganun.
Yam, hold your thought about
Okay.
this, ha? Yam, saglit. Hold your thought. May mga tanong lang.
Sige.
Gabriel Tabien, hi po, Doy, ayun. Anyway, Hill o G Bautista, mga titos, bakit sobrang lakas ata ng undercut on this track? Dahil din ba sa layout? Okay.
Ikaw, Jong, ikaw ang masagot niya.
It's like this. Hungaroring, the racetrack is known as, a very tight circuit. Very tight circuit, but it's very short. No, if you notice, it's 70 laps. So which means maiksi lang yung track, but it's also high speed. So it's easy for the team to make to make certain little adjustments doon sa kanilang para madali lang mag-undercut. So yun yung And aside from that, there are lots, since na the racetrack is short, considering there will be more back markers that will delay the rest of the front runners. So kumbaga na-calculate nila yun eh, no? So merong calculation na gano'n na the racetrack is kinda high speed, masikip, mahirap mag-overtake, and it's very short. So kaya kumbaga madaling magplano, no, ng undercutting or whatsoever. So that is why if you look at the strategy of McLaren, where they said na they need to defend Hamilton. So yun yung purpose nun. Maybe Lando is a good na he could really defend Hamilton and eventually give the win to Piastri. I think that's the So do you think McLaren messed the strategy? I don't think so.
No.
Kasi
It was spot on. The
it was
strategy
spot
was spot
on
on.
because they
Yeah.
need to defend it from Hamilton, because Hamilton also have a good pace, though it's hindi ko lang alam kasi pagkakaalam ko konting mali lang ng McLaren, then Hamilton will be able to get that to win again, no? So yun yung
Yeah. Yun ang iniiwasan talaga ng team. Kaya nauna sila. And then to add to Hill, ganito kasi, since the racetrack is really short, so pag nauna ka, mag-pit kesa dun sa mga cars na nasa unahan mo, parang lusot ka na sa isang sa isang ikot ba? Because nga, sabi ni Jong, it's really hard to overtake and high speed. So, pag nauna ka, may pace ka na kaagad. Then, pagpasok nung nauna sa'yo, yung mga cars ahead of you, may delay na doon sa kanilang pagpasok sa pit entry. Ikaw, masyado nang mabilis kasi nga high speed yung racetrack. So, tamang-tama, pag ikot mo yan, tsaka palalabas yung mga nag-pit. So, kaya nakita talaga natin dun sa karera na the strategy of pitting wisely and using the tires also wisely is very essential during the Hungaroring. Maganda lang siya tingnan kasi walang walls, pero basically, sabi nga ni Tito Miles, it's Monaco
Mahirap.
without
Mm.
the walls. No?
Without the
McLaren
walls.
are now in a position to win races and they haven't have a clue what to do. Okay. Okay,
No.
Justin, we will discuss that. Ha? Okay, Jong, balik
Yeah,
mo
okay,
ko.
go.
Okay. So, after your own convenience, many thanks and best regards. Di ba? Email.
Email.
So, lap 50, tsaka lang nila pinasok si Max Verstappen. So, inis na siya. And the radio, we will quote right here. Well, that's some gentle introduction from GP. Sabi ni Max, no mate, don't give me that bleep. You guys gave me this bleep strategy, okay? I'm trying to rescue what's left. Bleep. Yeah, kasi nga nauunahan siya, 'di ba? So imagine kung nauna lang
Yeah.
siya ng isang wala.
Okay,
Kanya
okay.
ang third
Yeah.
position eh.
Okay, for our viewers' sake who are new tonight, so this conversation right here are just being re-edited by the F1, no? So
The production
kung tingnan
team.
nyo, the F1 production, maririnig nila lahat ng conversation. They're just picking up the most interesting such as this. So you might be asking, teka, automatic nag-blip, ganun kabilis. Literally, tina-type nila yan. No? Literally, tina-type nila yung sinasabi, then they recorded the audio, then saka nila ilabas sa broadcast. So they're just, cherry picking what are the interesting such as this. So parang kayo takakay ba't may blip, ba't may ganito. So yun. It's for the sake of entertainment. So yeah.
Filtered din
proceed.
lahat. Mm.
Okay. Now, eto na nga. He has to work double time. So since nauna itong si Charles Leclerc, so yan yung una niyang titirahin, si Charles. Okay. So, from saan ba siya? Verstappen is from 5th, naging
Yeah.
4th na siya. Now, dito, pinanggigilan niya si Lewis Hamilton. Ilang turns niya pinilit na mag-overtake hanggang sa dumating ang point na ito na, yes, this is it. However, this happened. I don't know kung nag-vape ba si Max dito or nag-lock yung kanyang
Nag-lock talaga
tires.
yung tires niya. Yeah,
Nag-lock siya
talaga
dito.
yung tires
Now,
niya.
ganito ha, Jong, kung hindi nag-lock ang tires nito, saan pupulutin si Max? Kasi may momentum eh.
Yeah,
diba?
I think
May
he'll be able
momentum.
to get that I think he'll be able to get that overtaking maneuver. For me,
Kung hindi siya nag-lock nito.
hindi siya nag-lock. Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay. Dito makikita natin ang trajectory ni Max Verstappen
It's very
is
straight.
parang straight.
Yeah, straight.
Straight, no?
Mm.
Sabi niya, Lewis was moving on braking, pero actually,
Wala.
Lewis was approaching the corner,
The
di ba?
corner,
Tama,
yes.
Jong?
He has
Yeah.
to move. He has to move.
Yeah.
And suddenly, pumasok lang tong Max Verstappen out of nowhere.
So, malay ba ni Lewis na maglalak si Max, di ba?
Oh, yes.
He was getting ready to
Take
be
that
overtaken by Max dito,
Yeah.
di ba? Alam na niya, nakita na niya sa side mirror eh, pero nagulat siya, bakit ba dumiretso si Max and Red Bull gave him wings. So, ayan, isa pang
Yeah.
ano dito, isa
Oo.
pang anong tawag nito? Isa pang angle, and
Angle,
ito pang isa dito. Yan. Grabe.
That's
Look
even our
at the
poster.
height. Yeah.
Red Bull
Look
give
at
you
the
wings.
height. Look at the height of that Red Bull, no? All four was really above the racetrack. And he was able to recover. He was able to still finish the race. And he was able to pressure Charles Leclerc pa, di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, the guy has talent and has, reflexes like no one else in F1.
Yam, may mga
Andy.
comment dito, Yam.
Mike.
The
Andy,
Flying
microphone.
Dutchman. CC Signs.
Sorte talaga ni Max eh.
Okay.
Ano pa? Ang
Um,
dami pang space ni Verstappen. I think bumawi lang din ang McLaren kay Piastri kasi di sila nag-double stack nung Silverstone para siya iniwan sa ere nung race. Uy, this is a good
Insight,
this
yes.
is a good analysis.
Magandang
This is a
analogy
good,
yan,
thank you, G. Yan. Magandang analogy ito. Very good. Okay, the Flying Dutchman. Anyway, yung reflex ni Max, di ba? I mean, all of us, si Shaira, sabi din niya, a very good recovery by Max Verstappen kasi yung iba nito hits the wall already and
Oh,
causes a red
yes.
flag. Di
At
ba?
saka,
So,
that's driving.
Ewan ko
Yeah.
anong, ang tibay ng suspension ng Red Bull.
Yeah.
yeah.
Paano yun? Paano nila ginawa yan? Di ba, we see similar incidents all the time. Naalala ko yung nangyari kay Ocon and Gasly, Monaco.
Yes.
Very similar, di ba? Ganun pa rin. Up in the air, tapos bumagsak
aside
yung
from
likod,
that-
bumagsak ang
aside from
diffuser,
that-
tapos yung race.
Aside from that, the control of Max Verstappen is really superb, no? So despite that,
Di ba?
he was really able to yung pinanood ko tong replay kasi di ako nanonood ng live no. Tinindigan ako ng balahibo. Sabi ko, ang galing talaga mag-drive nito.
Hindi, kasi
Max
ganito,
Verstappen na ito.
Okay,
Wow.
sabay-sabay tayo, ladies and gentlemen, sabay tayo nanood nito ha.
Oo.
Kung makikita ninyo kung maalala ninyo, pagkatapos ng lipad ni Max na ito, hindi niya tinuloy-tuloy yung preno. Kasi kung tinuloy-tuloy niya yung preno, dudulas na yung kotse niya papunta sa wall, di ba? So parang reflex of engine stop, alam mo yun, Jong,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
And then he was able to keep the wheels spinning. And
Yeah.
then he was able to
Rigid
do a
control.
very good brake on the wall. Naiwasan niya yung
Mm.
wall and rejoins behind Charles Leclerc. Come on. 'Di ba? Grabing
Parang walang
reflex nun.
nangyari. Yeah, grabe.
Oo. Grabe and matibay ang kotse ng
Yes,
Red Bull.
grabe.
The Flying Dutchman.
Dapat kailangan
Anyway,
imbestigahan ba't ganun katibay yung kotse nila.
yeah.
Tibay, no? Kasi wala man lang floor
So,
damage, di
yes,
ba?
correct,
During the live
oh.
match along, sinabi
Wow.
ko, patay ito si Verstappen, may at least meron tong floor damage or
Yeah.
diffuser damage.
Yeah.
Wala talaga, di
Diba?
ba?
And we were
How?
yes. And we were discussing that, teka, umarangkada pa, hinabol pa si Charles, di ba?
Charles.
Oh,
Oo,
yes.
ano pa na?
Yeah.
Pinressure pa talaga niya. Now, this is judged as racing incident by the stewards when they
Yeah,
called
yeah, yeah.
both drivers on the stewards so yeah, correct. Tama. This is just a racing
I
incident.
agree.
Walang may kasalanan dito. Kasi Lewis was taking the corner. Hindi naman niya alam na maglalak si Max eh. 'Di ba?
Kahit na si
And
Max,
si Max
hindi niya alam na maglalak siya. Di ba?
Oo.
Hindi siya
Oh,
makaturn.
Pati siya super late braking siya eh.
Yeah,
Ang
of
bilis
course.
niya from the pit straight eh.
Yeah.
Pit straight 'yan, 'di ba?
Yeah, yeah,
Ang
yeah.
bilis niya doon. And then
That's
after
the
that,
strategy. Yeah, that's the driving style of Max Verstappen as well.
yeah.
Late braking.
So,
Yeah.
agree tayo doon sa FIA. Ako din. Walang ano ito.
Mm.
This is incident.
Yes, I agree.
Ayan.
I
So,
agree.
lumabas siya
Incident.
dito and he was able to rejoin
Parang wala.
behind Charles Leclerc.
Parang
Alex
wala.
Leclerc.
Grabe.
Green flag. Di ba? Grabe ba? So, eto na nga, ladies and gentlemen.
The moment.
Yung mga
Mm.
yung mga
Ito yung twist.
sinabi ng team kay Lando, yung guilt tripping, maraming nagsabi alam nila emotional si Lando tapos sasabihan ninyo ng ganyan, ganito. So, okay. Considering everything and have an open-minded approach on this event. So, ito yung sinabi. the way to win a championship is not by yourself. It is with the team. You're gonna need Oscar and you're gonna need the team. So
Yeah.
after this line,
Mm.
he gave Oscar Piastri the lead, and for the first time in his F1 career, Oscar Piastri took the checkered flag first, and a first win for the young Australian, no? And then here's the result: Oscar Piastri, Lando Norris, Lewis Hamilton, and then we have Charles Leclerc, Max Verstappen, Carlos Sainz. Sergio Perez was able to
Find himself.
have
Yeah. It's
find
always
his way
George
to
Russell.
Some of it right, yeah.
and
May
So was
na-salvage
George
pa siya ng
Russell.
mga points.
and our friendly neighborhood ninja Yuki Tsunoda on 9th and Lance Stroll on 10th.
Surprisingly,
Now,
wala si
here-
Manong Alonso.
Ngayon,
Okay,
no?
guys.
Yeah.
Dito natin himay-himayin kung ano yung nangyari sa McLaren. Okay. In general, all teams are after the World Constructor Championship and not the World Drivers Championship because the money is in the WCC. So, titingnan natin ang points ngayon, ha. Let's do Oscar Piastri 149. Dahil natagdagan siya ng 25 points. Tama ba, Jong?
Yep.
Pag first. Okay. So, ang lamang na lang ni Carlos Sainz is
5 points.
5 points. Ang lamang na lang ni Charles Leclerc is 13 points. So, let's say, on the next race, magpito si Oscar Piastri. Tapos, yung dalawang Ferrari nasa 5 or 6 or 6 or 7. Nasa 3 na siya.
Yep.
So, ang ganda nun for the McLarens to have both of their drivers on the top 3 and
Winning the
maximum points for the WCC, the
Yep.
World Constructors Championship. Now, during the race, di ba Andy, sabi ko sa iyo, probably they want to pull Oscar, give Oscar more points para at least mabilis si Oscar mapunta sa top 3. So probably yun ang
Talagang
plano
yun yung sinunod
ni-
nila.
Kasi sabi ni Jong, this is surprising because usually ang team orders is towards the end of the season, di ba? To keep
Ang aga
your
pa.
driver on top or to keep the team's points on top. Pero ngayon, bakit maaga pa ganito na? Kasi maaga pa dapat gawin na nila ito para after the summer break, whatever they do to their cars, sigurado na sila, mataas na ang confidence level nila to compete and, get the WCC eventually at the end of this season. So, dito parang we can analyze na probably ito yung plano talaga ng McLaren when everything started. Okay? So, ano ang ating mga
Yeah, ito.
Questions mo na.
easy
Ay,
dito?
F1C
Alright,
Brothers.
Dami ah.
Yeah, good evening. F1 Titos, do you think McLaren would allow both drivers to race until the end if binalik agad ni Lando ang position after the last pit stop? Or entitled na si
Good
Piastri
question.
to win since maganda ang pace niya sa first stint?
Excellent question
Sige
actually.
daw, Dick.
Good question.
Dick,
Yeah,
can you
okay.
answer it, Dick? Or Yamboy.
Si Andy ito.
I think
Si
so,
Andy, si
yeah.
Andy.
Yeah, thanks Yam. But it would make more sense kasi in one way parang kasi ito the plan ng McLaren, planado to nila na na 1-2 sila and everything. The plan was sound. Yung execution lang nila na yung yung communication between Lando and his engineer na yung talagang ini-imply talaga ng engineer na ganito yung plano natin. Magtiwala ka lang sa akin. Trust me, bro. Parang ganun lang. Di ba? Medyo
Hold my
dodgy
beer.
ba? Medyo pangit yung pagka-execute nila. Di ba? He was practically pleading with Lando over the radio na, please, bagalan mo ng konti. Paunahin mo si Oscar. Parang ganito, ganyan. Yeah, multi-21 all over again. Parang ganun yung feeling. Anyway, yeah, but going back to the Tifosi brothers question, I think so. I think they would have let Lando and Oscar race it out kung maaga pa. Dahil nangyari ito at lap ano yun? Basta 3 laps sila 67, di ba?
Yeah, 3 laps to go.
Lap 67
Yeah, 3
or
laps to go.
70 doon nangyari. Doon pa nangyari lahat. So they had no time. So talagang pinilit na lang nila si Lando na bumagal. Isipin mo, bumalik tayo konti doon sa slides mo. Yung oras, ilang seconds ba yung pagitan from Lando, nung nauna pa si Lando, di ba? Before he slowed down, if I remember, he was
This one.
several seconds ahead, di ba? Almost 5 seconds.
Almost
Ayun,
5 seconds.
nakikita natin. Almost 5 seconds. Napakalaki. Huge difference in F1. 5 seconds. It's insane.
Yeah.
Di ba? Hindi siya, mas lantaran pa to sa ginawa ni Schumacher at saka Barrichello. Mas lantaran pa to na team orders. Di ba? Mas
Yeah.
lantaran pa yung pagka-execute. Mas lantaran yung pagbagal niya.
Yeah.
Talagang,
The execution
this
was-
just
the
bad
execution was bad.
lang.
Ito.
Talagang
And
bad
communications
execution. Pero,
din.
to answer your question, they would have let the two drivers race kung
Yeah.
maaga pa.
Ito.
Um,
If by
ano
some
pa,
miracle, the championship
Lando would have
comes
overtaken
down.
Piastri regardless. Sabi ni Justin Dominic. Really bizarre decision. Yes, I agree. If Lando hadn't won a race before, you think same decision would have been made? Iba na namang ano yan, kettle of fish,
Ibang
basically.
scenario. Yeah.
Ibang situation rin.
Ito.
Hmm.
If by
Quite
some
possibly,
miracle,
yes. Kasi Lando is their, di ba? De facto number one na number
Yeah.
one driver. Not officially, pero alam na lahat na he is number one and he is the team leader there. Malamang, baka paunahin nila si Lando dito.
di ito.
Ano
If
pa
by some
mga
miracle the championship
tanong
comes
natin?
down to the final race, Lando loses, they might look back at this.
Yes.
Yeah,
Quite
definitely.
possibly.
Definitely, but
Yeah, this will
but
definitely play
a vital role
hindi
at
lang
the
sa
end.
points wise. Hindi lang points wise. If you look at the big picture in general, this has as of yet unknown pero napakalaking impact nito sa situation. Hindi natin alam sino mananalo at the end of this year, pero we will probably look back at this incident and we will say na
Yeah.
talagang napakalaki ng impact nito. Masasabi ko na ngayon pa lang. Prediction ko na yan.
Pero anyway, the team as a whole is not after the WDC but the World Constructors Championship
Yes, because
as of the moment. Yeah.
Yan yung Sunday morning meetings nila.
Yeah.
because as a team So yeah, so McLaren used to have World Constructors Championship. So I think they want to retain that as a team.
Oh, of course.
So and they want these two drivers on the top 3, 'di ba? Then they win the constructors. So yun yung talaga yung idea doon. And of course, who are you beating right here? It's the two Ferrari who is sandwiched, 'di ba? In
By the two.
Yeah,
Yeah.
by the two Mercedes. So yun. And of
By the
course,
two McLarens.
lurking behind is Lewis Hamilton. So you hindi mo siya pwede ma-count out. That's that's a 7-time world champion. So, so
So
yeah.
kaya kailangan nilang hilahin si Piastri paakyat
Yes.
para both their drivers is on the top 3.
It's the fact that Lewis treats his whole thing the best. He's aware of what's going on and doesn't take seriously. Love it. Parang, yeah, yeah. Ay, teka, wait.
Oh, may tanong pa, may tanong pa.
Do you think na
Sean,
Max
si
Verstappen
Sean.
is still a world champion? Sean Suguran. Uh,
5
actually,
points, yes.
it's,
At the moment,
At the moment, no? So,
he is the still defending world champion.
yeah, defending world champion. Medyo malayo pa siya sa point standing and we are one race after the half, no? So it's already more than half, one
Yes.
race. So still anything can happen, but don't count out Red Bull because Red Bull is, a very determined team as well. But they have problems actually, especially with Checo Perez. So they need to make both cars be very competitive, or they might just think about Max Verstappen being the world champion rather than getting the constructor. As McLaren, it's very clear that they want to get the constructor. So, yun, Max and Red Bull dominance has come to an end.
Hindi pa, Carl.
Not yet.
Masyado
Anong
pang
7
maaga.
time? 8 time kasi, joke lang. For me, 8 time talaga si Lewis. Yes.
There are those who believe.
Okay.
Same
We have-
sentiments with Jong Uy.
Yeah, of course, definitely.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay. So, for constructors points, we have Red Bull at 389, following very close na ba at 338.
See?
McLaren, Mercedes.
51,
So, ilang points yan?
38, 89, that's 51. Tama ba?
See?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
51
51.
points.
Malapit na yan.
Basically,
diba?
2 races.
So,
Oh,
yan ang kanilang
Malapit
yan ang
na yan.
kanilang diyan talaga sila di ba? Yan talaga ang target ng team, no? And then we have Ferrari, Mercedes. Ferrari at 322, 241 naman si
Malayo.
Mercedes. Aston Martin 69, 33, RB Honda, Haas Ferrari 27, Alpine Renault 9, Williams Mercedes 4, and Sauber Ferrari 0. Okay, since we are more than half of the season, meron akong surprise sa inyo. And
wow.
just to answer the question of Justin na kung si Max Verstappen pa din ba ang world champion, let's just... Oh no, before that, Formula 1 Rolex Belgian Grand Prix ang susunod. Hindi pala ito 2 weeks from now, Jong. This is July 28, so that's this Sunday na.
Hindi. Sunday na ba?
Oo, 28.
Oh.
23 na ngayon eh.
Oh, wow. Wait,
Ano
wait.
ka ba? May calendar ba yung
Meron,
phone mo?
Yeah, meron din akong calendar ng Formula 1. Ay, oo nga, no. So, it's this
So,
Sunday.
July-
So, guys, I think
This
we're gonna
week,
have
so-
another, watch party,
This
ha?
is the schedule. 26 July, practice 1, practice 2. 27 July, practice 3. Qualifying is 27 July ng alas 10 and race 9 o'clock, 28 July. Anyway, dito tayo. Okay, Justin. So far, we have 7 winners na and nangunguna si Max Verstappen with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins. Total of 389 points for Red Bull Racing, followed by the 2 McLarens. Nanalo na ang dalawang McLaren. Hungary ang isa, Miami ang isa. 338 points sila. Followed by the Ferrari boys with 322 points. Dalawa din sila. So both teammates nanalo na. Australia and of course the hometown hero Charles Leclerc who won in Monaco. And the lucky ones.
Wag naman. Anong lucky ones? Kawawa naman.
I knew
okay,
John would say that.
okay. Bakit lucky?
Sabi ko na nga ba, mag-react talaga.
Austria. Remember, you're gonna win this, George. Come on, George. You're gonna win this, George. Di ba? Because Max and Lando had contact. Di ba? They had contact. So, swerte si George nun.
Swerte si
Lusot
George.
siya sa Austria. Okay?
Yeah, lucky ones.
Now, bakit naman lucky si Hamilton sa Silverstone?
Lewis.
Remember yung sinabi ni Tito Miles, it was 50% skill and 50% luck. Because the use of tires dito nagkatalo. he used brand new softs. Lando used softs. So, hindi niya nahabol si Lewis and nahabol pa ni Max si Lando nung time na yon. That's why the Mercedes are the lucky ones. Nevertheless, we have 7 different drivers na nanalo na this season. And this is all because of our friendly neighborhood
Checo Perez.
Mexican, Checo Perez. Checo has more help to McLaren than to Red Bull. So that ends our analysis.
Wow, what a
tonight.
nice one, yeah. Nice one. We love it, we love it.
Kanina pa lang sa office, I was really excited to share my insights, my analysis, and of course, it was agreed upon by our master showman here, Jong Uy, na it is plausible, no? Plausible na yung mga nasabi natin tonight and yung mga ideas nyo din, lalo na si Hill or si G, sabi niya na parang the team paid hindi sila nag-double stack sa Silverstone, kaya parang sige, ibigay natin ito kay Oscar. Pwede din yun. Tama ka, G. Tama yun. So, di ba? Marami tayong haka-haka.
Yeah.
Pero at least, at the end of the day, we are really happy because marami nang nangyayari and 7 different drivers na ang nananalo. So, it's getting really, really interesting and fun for us.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Okay, there's a
All
question
right.
right here. Krisha, where do you think Carlos will go?
Carles nga daw eh.
$1 million.
Meron na bang ano?
Carles nga daw, sabi ni Tito Miles. Carles pa
Carles.
siya so far. Oh.
We don't know
Wala
yet,
pa.
but if you ask us, I think, I don't know. Because right now kasi medyo problematic si Checo sa Red Bull. So many, no? So many stuff.
Marami
ano.
pang pwedeng mangyari.
And yes, Checo still has a chance for Singapore and Mexico. Yes, tama. Jared Cunanan, yes, he still has a chance. So, yeah. Marami pang masyadong opportunity actually. Carlos, Char. I like Odi siguro. Okay. There was a kanina na si Binotto is in Audi. So I'm not quite sure. Andy, were you able to see that?
Yes. This is actually breaking news. So tama yung kanina nag-post ng kanina na yes, accurate yan. Binotto is going to head Audi F1 project.
Okay.
Kasi previously si 'di ba si Andreas Seidel.
Yeah.
Ngayon si Mattia Binotto na. So
Okay,
yes, welcome back to F1,
So-
Mattia Binotto.
Jong,
Yeah.
before we continue, baka pwede nating
Yeah, we have a
papalabasin.
new. A little bit longer lang yung ads natin, but we have a new ads right here. But wait, may prediction na po kayo ba for Belgian GP? None yet, but definitely after this, we're gonna have a prediction, right?
Yeah. We will announce the winners of the prediction. Dalawa yan.
Okay. All right. So, gents, when we come back, we're gonna do the the question and answer. So, while
Alright.
Yambo is gonna take a little bit of the break, and Andy as well, let's listen to golf. Check this out.
I'm Bruno Senna. I'm a McLaren Automotive Ambassador. So I've got a chance to come to Rough Road Collection, to be in the presence of such amazing cars, a dream come true for me. The feeling of nostalgia, it's actually quite incredible to see because the colors are very, very distinctive. All these McLarens behind me, I can definitely roll with that. It's a real privilege to be associated with such great brands. My family has great history with McLaren. I have a bit of history with Golf. I've already raced in a Golf liveried car back in 2013 and 14. So for me, it's almost like coming back home. I get the real sense of purpose to be associated with brands like these because they represent so much in motorsport and also in sentimental value for me. I've seen some of these cars racing on TV. They're extremely iconic. I have such great memories of these really cool cars going down Mulsanne straight, flat out, ingrained in my memory. So it's quite a moment for me to come and see all these things together. Well, the M8 original Can-Am car for Bruce McLaren, first race in 1969, crazy power, much more power than the car should have, clearly. The association with Gulf was already there from that age. The car obviously has a very cool concept of the rear wing stuck on the rear suspension instead of on the bodywork of the car, so a very clever idea. And when you think of how much technology has evolved since then, I bet those things were crazy to drive, man. The Gulf livery is very classic, but at the same time it doesn't become old. It kind of fits in every race car, every road car, in case of the 720, of course. Everybody likes it. It's not one of those liveries that sort of fits one thing, doesn't fit another. When you have a sea of normal colored cars, the Gulf livery really stands out. So actually, if you're trying to stand out, having some light blue and orange can really make you apart from the rest.
All right, so thank you, Golf. So just a little bit of explanation lang, sabi ni Carlos, old ads now. Kinda, but it's not yet 1 year. But we were encouraged by Gulf Oil to feature McLaren because it's only the Formula One racing team that is not being supported by Gulf. But McLaren Automotive as a whole is being supported by Gulf. So kaya we change all our ads right now for the new ones, especially after the intro. So Gulf and McLaren is still partnership, hindi lang sa F1. So sa F1 is Williams. So yun, still a British team. But yep, maybe a little bit old, but it's not, siguro mga 6 months more or less for Bruno Senna. And napansin niyo wala pong F1 doon sa kanyang pinakitang mga cars. May old, but walang F1. So that's the difference. So thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines. So that's a little bit of the explanation bakit hindi yung totoo, Carl. Gulf is still with McLaren. All right, hindi lang nga sa F1. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh yeah, which one are we gonna do first?
Ito. Announce natin. Okay.
Alright.
So, yung nanalo for our
Drivers. Prediction.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, pag nakakuha ka ng dalawang correct.
Oh, Carl Conrad. Kuha mo. Ay,
Ito
hindi.
si Aaron.
Si Carl Ras.
Ay.
Ras.
Sandali.
Mali yung kay Carl.
Okay. Itong kay Aaron Oscar, number 1, P1, and Hamilton, P3. And si Carl naman, we have Piastri and Norris.
Okay.
Mercedes ito, so almost, di ba? Galing talaga nitong friend namin, si Carl. Galing talaga. So, Aaron Dakanay and Carl Conrad Calora.
So since na
nanalo
nakakuha sila ng
for-
dalawang tama, although Carl got it on the P1, P2,
Sa team.
Oscar,
Tapos,
Max, Ham. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we
Yeah,
go. Good.
Hamilton, Oscar.
So we're giving out
Piastri,
these
Norris.
2 cups right here for Aaron Dakanay and Carl Conrad Calora. There we go.
Okay, and yung mga nag-hashtag TPS niece and nephew nung last Sunday, eto naman sila. We have
Ayun.
E. Bautista from Pampanga, Carl
Mga
Conrad
nagpalang
Caloocan, Kai Chin, Rojas City Capiz. Kai Chin is, Kai Chin. Tapos Shaira, Laguna, Justin Dominic, San Juan, Florence Dumale, Muñoz. Uy, parami na ng parami yung mga niece natin, Joe.
Yes. Hi. Good evening,
Parang
everyone.
kulang.
Join us. Yes.
Parang kulang na yung regalo ko.
Yes.
Eddie Niel, TPS nephews,
Yeah.
Nasugbu, Batangas, TPS niece, Las Piñas, Laika, nephew Ken, Teresa Rizal, and of course, our resident
ICC.
CC Signs.
All right.
Nice, Bulacan. Yeah.
Saka si
Alright.
Shaira, yan yung mga
Ayan,
resident.
pa,
Yeah.
oh.
Okay.
The resident niece of TPS.
So, ladies and gentlemen, would like to apologize for hindi pa namin napapadala sa inyo because hindi pa po dumadating yung the bag tags, no? Yam, I think we need more bag
Yeah.
tags. Yeah.
Pero
so,
we have the list. We have the
yeah,
list,
we
so
have the
don't
list.
worry.
So,
Don't worry.
give
Mapapadala
us
sa inyo
time.
mga next week siguro.
give us time
No
to
problem.
Hindi pala
finish
dahil
that.
mabagal yung courier.
Hindi mabagal yung
Hindi
courier.
hindi dahil mabagal yung Korea.
Yeah.
Okay lang mabagal, basta wag lang DNF Express, di ba?
All right.
Okay.
So it's time now to plan C mga titos. radio check. Yeah. All right. So it's time now to give away this three. Of course, we're gonna first question ni Andy. We're giving out this cap right here. It's the Williams Racing Golf cap. This is authentic, ha? Of course. And of course, the second question, we have the Pirelli Podium Cup. So, yun. Wala lang ang first, kasi bawal daw yun ipamimigay. So, and of course, our winner will get our dry fit polo shirt from Golf Williams. This is another authentic F1 merchandise from Golf Williams. All right, so we're gonna start the first question. Jollibee fastest pit stop. Sino ba yung slowest pit stop ng Hungaria? Oh, sino yung slowest pit stop? I think it's hindi ko na maalala.
3 seconds.
Yeah. Q1, Q2, Q3 by Sir Andrew.
Question 1, question 2, question 3.
All right. Andy, are you ready for question number 1?
Yes, we
There we
are
go.
ready for question number 1. Medyo chicken lang to. Question number 1. This current F1 driver holds the record for the most number of race starts at 390. Grabe nung isipin nyo. 390 race starts in F1. Sinong current driver ito? Ting, ting,
That's
ting,
easy.
ting, 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 ting.
Current. Mark Webber
It
is
is
already
not
retired.
Mark Webber.
Mark Webber is already retired. He's already managing.
This is easy, Andy.
Yeah.
Laika,
Easy
Gagliardi,
lang.
Max, no.
Napaka-easy lang nito.
Carlos
Not
Carpon,
Lewis Hamilton,
not
not
Lewis
Max
Hamilton.
Verstappen.
Ay, Sir Frank,
Good tries,
evening.
good tries, pero hindi.
Checo Perez,
Checo
not.
Perez,
Ayun,
Fernando.
Adrian Jasper
Fernando Alonso,
San Diego
Adrian
is...
Jasper, San Diego.
Hindi, si Tifosi Brothers
Nakuha
nag-FA
ni Adrian.
Are we gonna allow FA? Tifosi Brothers PH. Are we gonna allow FA?
Sino, ano FA?
Fernando Alonso.
Fernando Alonso.
I think we need to get the
Flight
whole
attendant?
name.
The
I
whole
think
name,
The whole name. Sorry, Tifosi Brothers.
Full
I think
name
we need to get
yan.
the whole name. So,
Yan, nakuha ni
Adrian
Adrian.
Jasper San Diego. I think this is your first time to win this one. So, kindly send us your details. PM mo na lang kami. Sir, thank you so much for joining.
Congrats.
Yeah,
kay
congrats.
Adrian.
It's Fernando Alonso who has the longest starts here in the current pool of drivers.
Sipin nyo, no? 390.
Yeah.
Pero
Grabe,
kung may
no?
nagsabi dyan na Manong Fernando Alonso, dalawa price mo.
Oh, you guys missed a trick.
Yeah. All right. Hindi na pwede manalo yung
alright.
manalo.
Well
ha?
done.
So, sino to?
Well done.
Sino to?
Adrian.
Yeah, that was
Jasper,
Adrian.
San Diego.
Adrian. Hindi
Adrian
na-
Jasper San Diego.
Yeah, hindi ka na pwedeng manalo, sir,
Congrats.
ha? So, this will be the, ay, kanina si Sir Frank. Sir Frank, from our friend from Panglao, Bohol. Good evening, sir. Yes, Panglao Kartways. We love that racetrack. So, hope to see you again soon. Ayun, Dominic Villan ito. All right. Andy, when
Well
they give
done.
out the Pirelli Cup, medyo limited na masyado to ngayon. So, there we go. Logan Sargent, wag mo na.
Logan Sargent.
All right. Andy's question
Nice
number
one.
2.
Sige. Ito, second question ito. Little bit trickier, this one. And it has something to do with Hungaroring.
Hungaro.
Question number 2. Which two current F1 teams won Constructors' Championship titles at the Hungaroring? So,
This is easy.
at different years, nanalo itong dalawang teams na ito ng WCC sa Hungaroring. Which two current F1 teams ito sila?
Wow. Williams and Ferrari?
G. Bautista, ang bilis!
Wow.
Grabe, G.
Williams and Ferrari.
Williams and Ferrari.
Wow.
Congrats, G!
Well done,
G. Wow.
Nice.
Well done. Well
Nicely
done.
done.
Nice.
Nice. So,
Well done, G.
G or
Nanalo
Gil
ka.
Bautista, you got yourself a Pirelli Podium Cup. So, wow. Nice one. Galing.
That's right.
Wow.
So,
Nice.
yeah.
Ay,
Alright.
shout out nga pala kagabi. Okay. Shout out kagabi. I was really excited to analyze the race. Wala akong ibang papel dito kundi
Yellow.
papaya colored paper.
Pinadya mo
I
yan.
mean, for the first
Nanalo yan.
for the first time in history, nag-script si Tito Yamboy ninyo. Oh my God.
Nag-notes talaga.
Ayun. So, it's Williams and Ferrari who won that. But for sure, Williams
done.
won that in the 19...
Hmm.
Anong year ba yun? I'm not quite sure.
So I think Williams won it in 1996. Tapos Ferrari won it in various years. Siguro mga 3 or 4 na ano yun. Basta maraming ano yun. Quite a few times na Ferrari won
Ferrari,
the
yes. So,
World Constructors Championship at the Hungaroring.
yeah.
Pero yeah, Williams was around 1996, I believe.
All right. So now
Yes,
we're giving
so,
out this...
yan.
Ayun, 1986. 1996.
I believe 96. Briefly
Anyway.
ko lang nakita eh.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Alright.
Bagal ang Wikipedia.
We'll go to the,
bagal ang Wikipedia.
Williams.
third question of the night.
Dry fit, polo shirt. Yeah, there we go.
Ooh, ganda niyan.
Yep.
So, again, reminder po sa yung mga nanalo tonight. Excluded na po kayo, ha?
Yep.
Excluded na kayo sa ano ngayon. Let's give chance to others naman.
All right. Sure. Welcome, Adrian.
Okay.
All right.
Ito. Now, question number 3. Going up right now. So,
Ay, that's easy.
si Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton scored his 200th podium last Sunday and has the most number of podium finishes on record. Tama yan. Sino ang second with the most number of podium finishes? Driver name and number of podiums, please.
Wow. Justin Dominic Villalon.
Justin! Ang bilis.
Wow.
Ang lakas ng internet connection.
Michael
Michael
Schumacher
Schumacher.
with 155 podium.
Meron
Tama.
pang ano yung kanya, ha?
Yes.
Meron pang, anong tawag nito? Accent yung E niya.
May accent
Yeah.
talaga na may
Talagang
ano pa.
German na German yung dating.
Yes.
Alright.
Michael Schumacher.
Schumi.
155 wins.
155.
So, yan yung
So,
record na nabit ni
Justin Dominic.
Lewis.
Yeah.
And yeah, and he continues to set the record basically, set the bar. So talagang we really cannot count out Lewis just yet, no? And
Oh, yeah.
di natin alam kung anong maa-achieve niya once he goes to Ferrari.
Yes.
But yeah, incredible record being set by LH44. 200 wins. Historic.
200
But yeah,
podium.
congrats.
Ayun.
Congrats sa mga nanalo
Alright,
tonight.
Justin Dominic Villalon,
Villalon.
congratulations.
Congrats to you, sir. Well done.
Yeah. 2 goats. Ay, sama pa si Senna. make it 3 goats. Yes, of course. Ayrton Senna, the late Ayrton
Oo.
Senna, definitely. Yeah.
Yes.
I have the helmet there. All right. Okay, so that's it. I think thank you so much everybody
a
for
fun one.
joining us. So I think we have agreed that we're gonna watch the watch along this weekend. Tama, this weekend na yun.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Oh,
This
yeah, this
weekend na,
weekend. And calling the attention of Heineken, empty na yung aking
Ah,
cooler.
yeah. Madali lang yun. Yeah. Yeah, madali lang yun.
And-
All right.
Porky Best din. Bakinin. Porky Best.
All right.
Dapat pala maghanap rin ako ng sponsor ko dito.
Yeah. All right. Teka, meron bold prediction. Bold prediction for Belgian Grand Prix. Kicks over first point by Bottas.
Ooh, wow, that is bold. Bottas pa talaga, ha? Specific.
Ako, bold prediction. Bold prediction. Walang karera mangyayari. Ulan.
Wala na.
Okay. Yeah, Belgium.
Naalala niyo yun?
Mahirap yan.
Yeah, Belgium is one of the...
2021.
Yeah.
Disaster.
Nasty rain.
Yeah, Belgium.
Nag-grocery pa kami. Naka-grocery pa ako nun, Jong.
Ah, ganun?
Tapos pagbalik ko sa bahay, hindi pa nag-uumpisa. Oh.
Hindi
Yeah.
pa nasimula.
Okay.
Na red flag na lang.
Belgium is one of the tricky racetrack because it's a lot of accidents happen there. A lot of driver who really passed away or died there. So yeah, but it's a nice racetrack, of course. Well, anyway,
One of the
so,
most iconic.
yeah, most
Diba?
iconic. Yeah. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Yes, it's confirmed. We're gonna do the watch along this weekend, this Sunday. So hoping that we're gonna change the way we do it because last time naghang na naman yung aming F1 dash. So right now we're gonna do it differently. I hope it's gonna work. And so that's it. So yeah, thank you so much for joining. Andy, before we go.
Yep. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us for tonight's show. Another fun race in the books. Fun, controversial race in the
Different
books.
winner?
Pero
Oo.
yeah, again, this is why we watch F1, diba? This is why we watch F1. It's not just for yung mga nagbabanggaan. It's why we watch F1 is for the controversy that comes up sometimes, keeps things interesting. Pero hopefully McLaren will learn from this experience kasi this was not fun for any of them. Sayang, no? Na-spoil yung first win ni Piastri. Ang ganda sana.
Yeah.
Oh
It
yeah,
would have been so good, pero obvious na pag-cross pala niya ng line, di ba? He wasn't completely happy with that. Nobody would be. But
Yeah.
anyway, that's that. We're done.
Water under
And
the
we
bridge.
shall now move on to Belgium. We'll see what happens next time. Next week, Sunday. Tingnan natin. May live viewing po ba tayo dyan, Jong, sa Davao?
Yes, we have. Still the same.
There you go.
F1PH
Yes,
Live Viewing Community.
excellent. So-
Please check it out. Check out their page. They have all the way around the country, actually. So, yun. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
There you
meron
go.
sila.
So, yeah.
All right. Yam.
All right. So, yeah. We will see you guys next time.
Okay. Thank you guys for joining us tonight. And shout out for G. Bautista. By next Sunday, Nice na ako. Okay. All right. So, thank you very much for joining. I hope you've learned I hope you've learned something tonight. And if not, I hope you were entertained. See you on Sunday for our live viewing. Masarap pala manood ng ganong klaseng style, no? Kasi all the comments are there. We can watch the race together. We can react
Together. Yeah.
together din. So, masarap, masaya. And hoping for another driver to win a Grand Prix.
Yes. What if?
Di ba? All right.
Sige daw.
So,
Yam. Sige daw.
Ah.
If another driver wins, no? Different driver from the ilang driver ba 'yun? 1,
7.
2, 3. 7 driver. let's give out something, no? Kung sino yung nanood sa atin. If there's another driver who wins outside of those 7 drivers that Yamboy showed a while ago, we might be giving out a prize to those who watch with us and enjoyed that moment of celebrating a new driver. Won outside of those lucky 7. Hindi naman lucky 7.
Oo. Sige, sige.
Yeah.
We will, ano yan. Yeah. Just, kung sino yung pinakamalapit, kung sino yung, siyempre, kung hindi siya nanalo, pero, siyempre, you will be enumerating all the drivers, di ba? So, we will be judging that kung sino yung pinakamalapit dun sa top, yan, bigyan natin ng konting price. Pero kung na-target nyo talaga, malaki ang price niyan. Courtesy of
Yeah.
Tito Jong. Siyempre.
Yeah. All right. So,
Okay.
all right.
See you on Sunday.
Yeah, see you on Sunday. Yeah, anong oras ba? 9 o'clock pa yung race. It's Belgium
9
like
o'clock. So,
Hungary, so 9
we'll be
o'clock.
on
All right.
by 8:30.
8:30. Hopefully, I won't be late. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to all the winners. So, as always, we're going to see you on next Tuesday, but definitely we're going to have a watch along. So, join us. Might be fun for you as well. You will be in the comments joining us watching our F1 Dash telemetry. So, race telemetry. So, that's it. So, guys, Miles, get well soon. And in behalf of these two, congratulations to all the winners. And Yam and Andy, thank you so much for joining. And that's it. We'll see you all this Sunday for the watch along. All right. Bye, everyone. Good night.
Good night.